Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So once again today, another quick unboxing video. You know what it is by clicking the title, seeing it in the thumbnail. These are the Black Label rock lights. These are the Apollo series rock lights. So these are the premium rock lights from Black Label. So in here I have ordered the 8 LED or the 8 rock light kit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what comes in that kit so you know what to fully expect when you order this. So as you can see, it comes shipped in just a regular priority USPS box right here. No branded boxes, nothing like that. So I've gone ahead and already opened this up. So you can go ahead and have a look at everything. So inside, as you can see, it all comes just shipped like so. Right here, we have the full wiring kit here. It's got the add a fuse, it has the light switch, it has everything you need to connect it to the battery terminal, all that you can see right here. It's got a switch. This is going to be installed on my TRX, so we're going to be wiring up one of the aux switches, so I'm not going to be using that. So stay tuned to one of the upcoming videos where I install this if you're interested in installing these in your TRX. But right there, and then right over here we have more mounting hardware. Everything comes just like so. I went ahead and optioned to have 2 extensions. So these do not come in the kit, but it does recommend that you do purchase 2 extensions just in case. I believe they're $10 each, so it's really not a big deal, 20 bucks. And then inside here, we have the splitter. So this is where this will attach to the actual main wiring harness that's in that bag right there. And then, as you can see, you have the 8 feeders right here that will basically plug into each rock light wherever you decide to install them. Again, this all comes standard in the kit. And then in here, we'll go ahead and pull all these out. You can see we have the wiring here and the quick just plug and play right into those splitters. So the main difference between the Apollo series lights and the regular Black Label lights is that the Apollo series lights have 18 Cree diodes in there. So you're getting a hell of a lot more light. I believe the regular Black Label rock lights only have 6 diodes in each rock light. So, you know, you're basically getting 3 times the power in each rock light, more or less. So let's go ahead and get all of these out so you can see them all. All right guys, so there it is all laid out. Once again, obviously this is the 8 rock light kit. You could also purchase it in the 4 rock lights. I want to go ahead and just did 8 because, you know, why not? I believe this was $320 for the full kit right here, including the 2 extensions right here. Again, these don't come with the kit, but for trucks they do recommend purchasing those. Again, they come with 14 feet of lead on each one. So if you're installing these on a Jeep or a smaller SUV, you probably won't need those extensions. But if you're installing it on a truck, you might as well just spend the $20 and get the extra extensions. So these are all aluminum housings right here. I know you can't really see them because they're wrapped in the bubble wrap still, but these are all metal. They are definitely pretty heavy duty. They're not plastic. They don't feel cheap. Again, these are the Black Label rock lights. You can purchase these on custom offsets. Sorry about that. So yep, I'll go ahead and throw some pictures up here of where you can go ahead and purchase it and what they look like. These are a pure white rock light. I don't believe they make a color one in the Apollo series. They do make different colored ones in the regular 6 diode light, but I just went ahead and did pure white so they would go ahead and match the wheel rings when I go ahead and install those. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Quick unboxing video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.